Hi guys, Lindsay, and in this video I'm gonna show you how we can make your voice to sound professional, studio quality, top rated, quick as possible in this video. So let me go ahead and record a short track. Hi guys, my name is Lens and I'm from the Caribbean. Yeah, this is our track right here. Hi guys, my name is Lens and I'm from the Caribbean. We have background vocals, so we need to copy a non-vocal section, and then we need to go to restoration. The software that I'm using here is Adobe Audition. You can use this in any Adobe Audition software. It is similar across the board, just that the latest version would have more updated apps and features to use. So let me just go ahead and let me just go to restoration, noise reduction, capture profile, and then we're gonna hit OK. After hitting OK, we're gonna just select the entire track, and then we are gonna go ahead and then we're gonna hit the noise reduction process, and we're gonna reduce the background noise. So now let me just remove the spaces between the vocals and the space at the end of it. Let's have a listen. Hi guys, my name is Lens and I'm from the Caribbean. Yeah. So this is the dry voice recording that I did. Then we are going to select the entire track, and then we are going to go over to filter and EQ. Inside here we are going to go to graphic equalizer. We're going to use this equalizer on this. We're going to use the parametric equalizer on top of the track. The reason for this is to add the extra EQ to our voice to make it sound crispy and clear and nice. So let me go ahead, then let's have a listen. Hi guys, my name is Lens and I'm from the Caribbean. Yeah. So what I did there, I just double equalized this track, and this is a very fast and quick and easy way in making your voice sound professional as possible. And I hope that this video was helpful. I would like you guys to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. For questions and comment, you can do so in the comment section. Let's have a listen again. Okay guys, hi guys, my name is Lens and I'm from the Caribbean. Yeah. And to be honest, there are other features and other options that I could have used. I could have tweaked the settings if I wanted to, but I just do a simple done for you method that can help you to create a professional voice, a sweet, nice studio quality voice for maybe your podcast, YouTube videos, etc. So I hope that this video was helpful. You guys go right ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you'd like to see me do more of these videos, comment down below in the comment section and let me know what's happening.